We are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I will show how you can remove touch dot in Oppo smartphone. So to start, here is my touch dot, as you can see. So from here, if you would like to get rid of it, you will need to firstly make sure that you have your developer options enabled. Go into the About Device category of settings, then version, and tap at the build number to see if the following message is the same message you receive on your Oppo phone. That means that there is no need to enable it, but if you have it disabled, just continuously tap at the build number section until you will receive your now developer message. Then get back to the main settings page, open additional settings menu, go for the developer options, then scroll the page down until you will find the inputs category of developer options and show tabs toggle in particular, and simply turn it off. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.